back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, we are back with another wig install. This wig is from Luvme Hair, so thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. You guys know how much I love Luvme Hair. I talk about them all the time on my channel. They sent me over this highlight brown wear go unit, so this is going to be a glueless install, so we're not going to be using any glues, which I love a glueless install. It's just so easy. 1 2 3. So this is literally the wig out of the box. All I did was put some makeup on the lace. You guys seen the lace out of the box as well. I did not wash this hair. This is straight out of the box. This is gonna be a real cute install, and it's gonna be real easy. So if you're a beginner to wigs, or if you are someone like me that likes glueless installs, it's gonna be a wig for you. I'll show you guys how it looks in the side part and the middle part as well, because it is versatile with this parting space. It does have some combs on the inside, and it does come with an adjustable strap as well, because like I said, this is glueless, so we're gonna need that support. It came pre-bleached on this wig as well. That's why it looks so seamless when it came straight out of the box. Hair is real soft and is real manageable. So let's get started. So like I said, I did put some makeup on the lace already. When applying this wig, make sure you guys do add a little bit of makeup on it so it can look even more seamless. What I'm gonna do now is just cut off this lace. I'm gonna still spray a little bit of my Ebon on, not too much though, just a little bit. This is a glueless install, but just for some extra hold, I'm just gonna apply some of this.
So I'm loving my beans, like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried it, but he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd name me a lot. Like, damn, she in her mood. Like, damn, she in her mood. Like, damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me but wanting my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm
Alright, so we just did a side part. Like I said, this wig is very versatile. So now we're gonna do a middle part, y'all. So we're gonna switch it up a little bit. Not too much though, just some slight. I'm basically just gonna put this in the middle part now. So I'm just gonna literally just part my hair. There's 2 styles in the wig and 1. Like, it doesn't get any better than that.
she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what's wrong. Oh, what it was this, put it in the song. Alright.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn.
So that was everything for today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this real versatile ready to go wig from Love Me Hair. The quality of this hair was amazing, you guys, and it was so easy to install, which is perfect for beginners and at an affordable price. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Designer head to toe, I sit to the head and float. Already made the poke.